Let's repair this leaking Kohler shower valve. Watch until the end for the temperature adjustment. First, turn off the water supply. Bleed the water pressure. Close the drain or cover with a towel. We have our screen over ours. Remove the valve trim. Note the 12 o'clock position of the tab on the cap. Remove the screws to remove the plastic adapter. Remove the collar screws. Note the plastic peg. Remove the metal collar and see the top marking on the collar. Remove the mixing cap assembly. With a pair of pliers, pull out the pressure balancing unit. If the O-rings on the back of the unit are missing, they might be stuck on the back of the valve body like this. Check the inside of the valve body for any debris or burrs. We are using Kohler Repair Kit GP 876851. I'll leave a link in the description below. The repair kit includes a mixing cap, pressure balancing valve, 2 washers and 4 O-rings, 2 screws, and a capsule of silicone grease. The 2 washers and 2 medium-sized O-rings won't be used. The medium-sized O-rings were already on the back of the mixing cap. The 2 small O-rings will be placed into the oval grooves on the back of the pressure balancing unit. Apply a small amount of silicone grease on the O-rings. This will help hold the O-rings in place. Align the code marking on the unit with the code inlet on the right and fully insert into the valve body. Push the unit straight in, do not twist. We'll remove this small metal collar so we can reuse the old round collar. Lubricate the medium-sized O-rings on the back of the mixing cap and on the large O-ring around the cap body. Orient the cap with the tab in the 12 o'clock position and place it on the valve body. Place the collar back onto the valve and resecure with the 2 screws. Place the plastic adapter and resecure with the 2 screws. Recheck all 4 screws for snugness. Unscrew the stem adapter from the old mixing cap and install it onto the new cap. Partially open the water supply valve. Open the shower valve to verify water flow. Turn off the valve and check for leaks around the valve body. If no leaks, fully open the water supply valve. To adjust the maximum temperature setting, we use a digital thermometer, 5/64 hex wrench, and the old mixing valve. This set screw limits the hot water flow. Note the position of the old set screw and adjust the new set screw to the same position on the new mixing cap. Fully open the shower valve counterclockwise until it stops. Run the hot water for several minutes and prepare the digital thermometer. Test the temperature and verify it does not exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjust to your preference. 115 degrees should be good for my family. Note the notch on the valve trim and place it in the 6 o'clock position. Reinstall the handle and valve trim. No drips? Now it's your turn.